Hey everyone, today is the group Beauty Over 40 collab. We're doing a Christmas holiday look and we're using glitter. Glitter to make it sparkly. All the ladies that are taking part in today's video, their information is in my description box. Go check them out and see what sparkly, glittery look that they created. Right now I am going to start with a skin tone eyeshadow and I'm going to put it right here. I put my base down and it is this concealer because I'm going to use another base lower down to hold my glitter, so I'm doing two separate bases. So concealer right here as my base so I can put my skin tone color because I'm not going all the way up with the glitter. And then after that I will put another base and I'll show you. I did the first base off camera. But it is always fun to be in a collab group. It is always fun to create looks. If you have your makeup palette out, please go ahead and pull it out and follow along or do your own thing. Have fun. Remember, when you play with glitter, be careful. There are different types of glitter. There's like a rough glitter, there is like a smoother glitter, and then there is a glitter which is very, very fine. But all glitters, you have to be careful with them because glitter can actually hurt your eyes if it gets in your eyes. And if you rub your eyes while you have glitter on, you might be able to bruise your skin. So please be careful with glitter. Warning, warning, warning. Second base I'm using is my sticky primer. You can use glitter glue or sticky primer. This is what glitter glue looks like. You can use that to hold your glitter or a sticky primer. And it is a sticky primer, so I'm going to use that on this section of my eye because this is where I want to put the glitter. I'm doing it this way because sticky primer can be very hard to blend, so that's why I did two bases. I did one base which is not sticky glitter, and where I'm gonna put, I put one base which is not sticky primer and one base which is just regular because I'm not going to blend the glitter, I'm just going to lay the glitter down. So it's easier when you have the base on that is sticky. To pick up the glitter on the brush, I put a little bit of this primer on the brush to help me lift the glitter because, like I say, glitter is dangerous. Be careful how you use it. Just packing it in with my finger. The brush is not doing it for me, so I am doing it with my finger. I like working with my finger when I do my makeup. It always comes out better. This glitter is a fine glitter. This is not a rough glitter. Now I'll show you what palette I take it off from in the end. The holidays are here. Please don't be stressed. Please do very little if you can't do much. And make sure you take some time off and be safe this holiday season.
We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
And have
We
fun.
wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding. Now bring us some figgy pudding and bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. For we all like figgy pudding. So bring it out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. We won't go until we get some. So bring some out here. The tidings we bring to you and your kin. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year.
I am back with the look for the group Beauty Over 40 Holidays Eye Look, which is glitter. I use 3 glitters. And I'll tell you which palette I use in a few minutes to create this glittery holiday look. My lipstick is Maroon by Juvia's Place. I just love this color so much. It works so well on my skin tone. This is my 3 glitter look. Today's inspirational, encouraging word is by Hugh Prather. It says, "Sometimes the only way for me to find out what it is I want to do is go ahead and do something. Then the moment I start to act, my feelings become clear." Sometimes the only way for me to find out what it is I want to do is to go ahead and do something. Then the moment I start to act, my feelings become clear. Hugh Prather said those words. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty, take care of self. I simply make up a saying, life is short. Enjoy it the best way possible. Enjoy life. The palette that I use today is the Tropical Twilight by Tammy X, and it is by Makeup Revolution. This is what it looks like. There are 3 glitters in there and I use all 3. This glitter is covered because it comes out a lot, so I had to cover it, but I use this one right here. It's a very fine glitter, this one, and then the red in the inner corner going up this way, and then this color right here, which has a shift. It has a really nice shift. It has green and like gold. It's really pretty, and that's what I have in the middle. Please be careful with glitter if you use glitter. Please go check out all the ladies that are in the collab and see what glittery holiday look that they created. I am saying bye.